In this unit, we are focusing on constellations, which are groupings of stars. The word star has more than one meaning. Some words not only have more than one meaning, but they function differently when used in sentences. For example, the word star can be a noun, a word that names something, a verb, the action part of a sentence, or an adjective, a describing word. It all depends on how it is used in the sentence. When we read, how do we know which meaning is being used? We look for clues around the word to help us. So now let's look at page 88. We hear the word star often, usually in reference to movies. A star is a person recognized for a performance. Find this definition on your map. If I say, look at the star, it is not clear whether I'm talking about a star in the sky or a movie star. But if I say, he was the star of a hit movie, it is clear I am talking about a movie star. What if I say, he was a recognized track star after he won the Olympics? Could that be the same meaning? Now I want you to go ahead and write down those two example sentences as well. Now let's talk about a similar meaning of star, but use it as a verb. What is another way to say that someone acted in a leading role in the movie? Now I want you to write that definition on the map. Then I want you to write a sentence about someone who starred in a movie or TV show. Now I want you to write another definition and sentence about star. Think about the stars we see in the sky. The sentence needs to have enough details that the meaning is clear. Who would like to share their sentence? Now, find two other meanings for the word star. You might need to use dictionary.com to help you out. Remember that star can be a noun, a verb, or an adjective. Don't forget to add in the sentence for it. Prepositions are small words that show the position or relationship between words in a sentence. Let's look at this example sentence. Pam is in the van. Notice I've underlined the word in. What does the word in tell us about Pam and the van? It tells us where Pam is. Where is she? In this sentence, the word in shows the position or relationship between words in the sentence. What are these words called? Yes, they're prepositions. Its name contains a powerful hint about its job. Do you see the word position in the name? I can change the position or relationship by changing the prepositions. So now let's try to change the word in and see how it changes the meaning of the sentence. We could say Pam is on the van, which has a completely different meaning, or Pam is by the van, or under the van, or behind the van. How does that change where Pam is in relation to the van? I'm going to give you a cue sentence that I want you to use whenever you're trying to decide if a word is a preposition or if you're trying to think of a preposition to fit. The rabbit hopped blank the log. The rabbit hopped in the log. The rabbit hopped on the log. The rabbit hopped by the log. The rabbit hopped under the log. The rabbit hopped behind the log. All of those make sense. But what if we were to say the rabbit hopped car the log? Car is a noun. It isn't a preposition. So it doesn't make sense in the sentence. Now you try it. I want you to work to find at least 2 words other than these that will work in the sentence. If the word works, it's a preposition.